what discussions do you have? What discussions will you can tell us?
See there are some routine discussions, and naturally, whenever we take any decision, we have to consult the Chief Minister. Now, I came to discuss with Honorable Chief Minister. I am introducing quite a few new amendments to the Panchayati Raj Act. So those amendments I have discussed with Honorable Chief Minister. He has recommended certain changes, and once we sit again, we will be finalizing it. We are trying our best to introduce the amendments in the coming session, because this, as you know, every session these amendments were supposed to come, but we decided to have a look at all the amendments in totality, on all the amendments which are to be brought. So we want to introduce them in the forthcoming session.
That is in December.
No, now in this, even though it is a one-day session, it does not prevent anyone from bringing amendments or passing bills. Other thereafter we'll have to issue ordinance. But that's why we will see
amendments. Could
you highlight some of these amendments?
Some of the amendments, as you know, right from 1994, the Panchayati Raj Act has not been amended. As you know, every session they ask for changes. So in tune with what was discussed in the assembly, those amendments are being introduced. One is, as far as garbage is concerned, I had assured in the last two assemblies that because people took offense to administrative orders being issued, which were in tune with the directive given by the NGT. Now that will come in terms of amendments to the Panchayati Raj Act. Second thing is, all the Gram Sabhas that take place, a MLA of that area or a Zilla Parishad member from that particular area had no locus standi to go and attend the meeting. Now he will be allowed officially to be part of the meeting. So
Zilla Panchayat
as well as the Honorable MLA from any of the Panchayat, if he wishes to attend and convey his viewpoint on certain things, he will be allowed to participate in the proceeding, but he will have no voting right. No.
Willingness.
It is out of his willingness, because see, sometimes there can be an issue in the Panchayat. The MLA will have his certain say, no? He should have his say. He will have no voting right, but he will have a right to attend the meeting and participate and convey his views.
Anything discussion on that election?
No discussion on that election.
Okay.